we've heard West Indies captain Ralston Chase and coach Sammy almost in a chorus, blaming regional cricket for lacking the standard and intensity required to produce top quality players capable of competing at the international level. The notion is this is the crux of our problem in West Indies cricket, and I don't agree. Our issues go right back to the grassroots of our cricket. Little Caribbean boys don't love cricket the way they used to, or in the numbers they used to before. They are distracted by other interests and other sports. So less of them are loving and playing cricket. And if the grassroots numbers are low, competition levels will be low. So by the time the players get to the regional level and matriculate into the test team, the quality is generally mediocre, which is where Sammy, Chase and company are catch up with the problems. But gentlemen, the problems of West Indies cricket cut way deeper and earlier than that.